Good afternoon, my name is Rosado, and I'm going to talk to you guys about the association as a persuasive technique. This technique tries to link a product, service, or idea with something already liked or desired by the target audience, such as fun, pleasure, beauty, security, intimacy, success, wealth, etc. The media message doesn't make explicit claims that you will get these things, but the association is implied. The association can be a powerful technique because a good advertisement can create a strong emotional response and then associate that feeling with a brand. And this process is known as emotional transfer. Now, the example that I choose is a video. I'm gonna show it to you guys now and then talk about it.
There's a place for vacationers who seek more than just a little time off. The ones who choose to go big or stay home. Where every amazing, despicable, wizarding adventure reveals moments that are truly epic. This place is made for those who do more than just vacation. It's made for those who vacation like they mean it. Universal Orlando Resort.
Well, I showed this advertisement of Universal Orlando Resort because we see different types of persuasion techniques that are related to the association. We see how the implicit information is shown through the ad aimed at the family that is interested in vacationing in a place where there are different entertainment alternatives and night outing with restaurants. They have cinemas and shows. They show the place as safe where the carry security control to the pandemic. And this persuasion strategy makes a link with people's emotion where today they seek a time of fun, pleasure, and freedom in the midst of the restriction experience. And we got the reference. The first one is for the definition of the technique, and the second for the video. So that's it. Thank you for seeing this. Hope you have a